So, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa may departure area kasi nagpas na tayo ng immigration. Ayun. Nandito na din yung boarding pass. And sobrang sabog pa ako kasi di pa ako nakatulog. Kaka-impake ko. Although na plano ko na kasi yung mga gamit ko, guys. Last month, yung mga damit. Tapos nagpa-check, dagdag ako ng check-in baggage. Kasi nalagpas ako ng mabigat yung ano. Yun na, kasi alam niyo naman, I'm just a girl.
Refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices.
So, the departure na to by 7:25 AM. Ayun. Wala pa akong tulog. Pero gagala tayo at maghanap ng pogi. Rinig tayo niya. Malapit tayo. So, ayun, on the way na kami sa aming pupuntahan ng hotel na nabook na talaga to, guys. So, 40 minutes from the airport, nandun na kami sa hotel. May mga joiners din pala akong kasama dito. So excited. Anong plot twist ang mangyayari sa akin? Ay, sorry, forgot. Tanga-tangang babae. Dito yung mga personal na gamit. So, yan. So, on the way to hotel. So, nandito na tayo nakapag-check-in na sa hotel. Yan. Sobrang laki din ng room. Church lang ako ng gamit ko. Uwi nga pala kami sa Wataron, sa mga temple ngayon, yung agenda ko. So, may problem yung car ng tour na. So, naka-shawl na. Although, so, nandito ako sa ano. We're going to enter.
Yes, we are in enter.
So, tinakpan ko lang yung ano ko kasi pero ganito siya. So, ginagawa pala yung ibang temple dito, guys. Ako lang nakasunod sa tour guide. I mean, I don't know with them.
Why they not follow me?
I think they're lost there or very slow. Yeah. What is this?
This is the temple. This is the main temple. This 180 years old. That's why they cover because they have under renovation. Can enter.
Wait, I'm gonna... They're so bagal talaga.
You can. Let me.
Okay. Because it's under renovation, guys. So... Pwede.
Enter here.
Okay.
You can enter here.
This one that I told you now, the donation box.
Lucky in front of the Buddha. Penal. Penal. Just same color. This oneยาวๆแล้วก็ยาวๆอันนี้ไหมยาวๆ
200 baht. Ang init. So, babalik na ako sa may van. Sobrang init na din. So, 200 baht lang ito. Yung, kasama na yung hair and makeup, pero hindi ako nagpa-makeup. So, ang dami na. May chika ako. May nagpa-pick sa akin. Mga Amerikano, te. Huwag ka. Ito is very, LRT, like the BTS train. Yeah, that's it.
Gentle and beautiful Thai art and culture, along with the beauty of
Philippines, magandang umaga. Welcome.
Can we video?
Is allowed here,
Okay.
but not in the show.
Okay, okay.
มาดันล้มอ่ะThis is the smallest thing in the world. Everybody can take picture. The one thing. This way.
English.
Yeah. Over there. The body side is as mosquito.
Where?
This is we call yellow powder from the flowers. Who have any sinus problem? Morning get up, is sneezing, itchy, breathing problem. We can take the bee pollen, 2 teaspoons, mix with the warm water and drink it. Any constipation, the bee pollen. Same lady.
Itinerary ko naman, nandito ako sa bee farm. So, papatikimin na kami ng kanilang products. So, on the way now. Iniwan ko sila. Kasi, may dinner cruise ako mamaya. 50 baht lang ang pagkain nito sa labas. Pero di ako magpapakaano. Dito may mga bilihan dito, guys. Oh. Yung mga inhaler, tapos mumurang lagi. Parang uulan. Shit. Baho. Amoy dyan tahak. So, titingin din ako yung elephant na palms. 100 baht lang dito. Uy, maganda yung mga damit nila dito. Ito. Ayan, sobrang daming magagandang damit. Parang Divisoria nga talaga. Pero hindi ako bibili masyado kasi nga. Parang common yung damit. Yan. Pero ang ganda, Mima shoe.
May 100 baht lang.
Ay, pala ko.
100 baht lang.
So, bibili ako mango sticker. 60 baht yun, pero sobrang sarap. Yan. Gago. Typhoon daw. Tag-ida. Ayoko nga din. Arte mo. Parang Thai style talaga dito. So, yung next naman is yung dinner cruise. Ito yung outfit ko, guys. Ayan. Buti tumigil yung ulan dito. Huwag ka, may pakalibig siya. So, dito Asiatic. Antok na antok ako. Kala ko malapit lang yung pang dinner cruise. Ayan ang outfit check. Gag. Oh, inong ko na. Pinakpan ko na. So, pipila kami doon sa may princess daw yung dinner cruise na sasakyan namin. Tingnan mo. Tumitingin sa akin. Eh, takin na. Ay, bakit ba? Hindi. Hindi. Tumitingin sa akin. Eh, kasi, buti na ginto ako. So, umuulan yung dinner cruise ko ngayon. Kasi September, umuulan. Pero sa umaga, hindi umuulan. Gitna mo. Natakpan mo siya.
历史为天地，生命为人类而生存。
Ganda ng Sanctuary of Truth.
You can see is the construction site, and you can compare two sculptures here. And the middle one is looks like new. It's already done last week. So it's already removed and very new. And another one here. Okay, so that these are knowledge that's coming from the ancient Thai wood techniques. We carry generation by generation until this time. Now with it. So firstly, everyone look at this. That we call is a long-term field. Especially, I use the carving design, right? Then the other side with the wood line. So ladies and gentlemen, come on, please let go. Then show you how to make here, everyone. Put your hand in backwards to the left. I want here, everyone. Listen, look at this. On your right side here, there we are showing the different picture here. All the picture about the biography of Christ. Here this simply, everyone. Turn right. Turn right, turn right. Okay. Are you still good? Are you still okay?
Kain ko. So, tinimplan ko lang siya ng onti maanghang. Okay, papayag mo. Malaya yung mga animals dito. So,
Police Park. It's an open zoo. Open zoo.
wow! See? Ang ganda niya.
Guys, around 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
40 minutes. We're going roam around here.
Open zoo.
Open zoo. Wow, you can see animals is
Right hand ticket.
Okay? เอาละครับผมนับ 1 2 3 เซ็กกลับมา one more Hit your hand เอาเข้าไป
Ano, yung flight ko pala 11 p.m. pero 6 p.m. Nisundo na ako ng tour guide, yung driver na pinagbukan ko. Going back to Manila. Going at the airport. 11 p.m. yung flight. Pero 6 p.m. nandito na ako. Pero tinakon yung scrub ko, nakakainis. Depota. Pero 100 baht lang naman yun.